Hello, good morning everyone. I Sanjit Khundongbam. I'm an English teacher. So today for class 10, chapter number 4 from the poetry section is a very beautiful poem, Song of the Flower by KHALIL GIBRAN. KHALIL GIBRAN haiba Lebanon da pokpa aduga USA da migrate toroga leikiba Arabic amasung English ta Sayeng yam phajana iba adumba kavi mahakna iba sayeng si yam phajana iba haiba sayeng si ekoi metaphor season aduna musung ekoi personified tawduna personification nai tare lon thok taba jiba da karigumba moral lesson ama pi na gi da mak wangang hanba adu boi koina personification gawe haiba lei amana wangang ani sayang sida wangang dusi kabi nate lei ni wangang dusi lei sina wangang li si kari no kanda personification haibi arthadi karigumba moral lesson ama miyo da pi na ba okta ama pi na gi da mak lon thok taba thawai pandaba thawai di panba maron thok taba jiba u panbi be uche koi be amada moral lesson pi na gi da mak kabi na intentionally wangang hanba adu ma sayang ni song the flower Last 10 gi haiba sayang sida carries 2 marks mark ani question lakpe aduna koi leiba sayang ma'am singi dagi one of the most beautiful and important poem for class 10 ni koi maru eba sayang singi manung daman KHALIL GIBRAN koi let me go through the text satke ahanba first stanza da yengbiro first stanza da Uncle, let me repeat again. Metaphor ko wong season hai. Metaphor is the forceful comparison hai. Sangdam na si ang kahe na sangdam na sanba. Simile hai bum lay metaphor hai bum lay. Ekoi Pongna Brajavasi was as brave as a lion hai bse. Pongna hai bse mini lion na ji nongsa sa ne. Mabani manungda manava gunna ma brave hai je. Si ani si bu sangdam na bse ko ekoi ne simile ko. Adubu metaphor hai si dadi am force oina sangdam na kani. Pongna Brajavasi was a lion hai kani. Pongna Brajavasi di nongsani hai jala kani. Nongsagum na thangalai hai roi nongsani hai jala kani. Aduna sayeng si compare to bude am forceful oina compare to bune. Aduna you might don't be confused in this area, okay? You might get little bit confused oi hai metaphor season now. The first stanza, I am a kind word uttered and repeated by the voice of nature. Let me read the first stanza first. Ahanba stanza page. I am a kind word uttered and repeated by the voice of nature. I am a star fallen from the blue tent upon the green carpet. I am the daughter of the elements with winter conceived, to whom spring gave birth. I was reared in the lap of summer and I slept in autumn. Asumna ahanba stanza da. Man hai for better convenience of our students of the state sida laibiriba ekoi bilingual ma'am laibanina ekoi Manipur da season aiba imalon da am explanation tauge first line da hai aidi mara season ai ji aidi thauja laiba mohsa laire bi khonjel gumbani ga aidi khonjel ne na forceful comparison pirei aidi mohsa laire bi amna thot no roba thauja laire khonjel ne I'm a kind word of nature like ka haidam ne aidi aduni hajelis aduni sai metaphor has kabina season is aidi am thauja leiraba mohsa laire bi thauja leiraba khonjel ne aidi I'm a star fallen from the blue tent upon the green carpet sangbana raba ekoi ge surface of the earth sangbana raba ekoi ge lap of the nature mohsa laire bi tampak si buni mana green carpet hai se blue tent sangbana raba dambur hai jina sky buni atyago aidi atyadi gi tarakpa sangbana raba napi prithvi gi tampak tak sida sky gi tarakpa aidi thawan mi chakni. The flower is telling that I am not a flower but I am a star fallen from the sky. Aidi sarga gi tarakpa thawan mi chakni. I am the daughter of the elements. Aidi polam kayam pullaga semba machanu pini with winter conceived. Ningdhamda da aidi conceived means pregnant. Masalumba mironba ko winter the concept oivane to whom spring gave birth yening tha da ai pokpani ai se I say winter the concept oil, aduga spring the epoch chay, rare in the left of summer, kalengi, tampak the idi chow zone, kalen tha the lazy mapung pana sat kaire. And I slept in autumn, nakin tha the itummi, means fallen, mazi layman chalaga kien ki. This is the cycle of, life cycle of a flower. You may be asked question here, question about the life cycle of a flower. You have to remember these things. Okay. Hi, see stanza ahum sinoin by heart over those are the elements with winter concept, to whom spring gave birth, rear in the lap of summer and slept in autumn. I say just keep it in your mind. So second stanza. At dawn, I unite with the breeze to announce the coming of light. Dawn. D-A-W-N, dawn. Dawn means early morning before sunrise. Nongan di nongalaba, nung sa mga lila, ngay ayo angan ba do? Ado da ay na, kay the way. Laymana kay the way. Breeze, nami, bunung sit malaya, lili sit pamalang ba do? Ado da ay laynam na yaw raga. Marak to da, nung sit marak ta yaw salaga. Mipung kuding magta, in the surrounding day na, nongale habi ay laynam na pausel piwa chatle. Laymana to, tawag ni ko. Then, at eventide I say it doesn't exist in English. English ta eventide I have watch like but poet na, kavi na, yam na poetic oi na, thought no ba evening time I say yam thought ba eventide I na man sandhya ya changma matam da. Adumai na man word ama seme I join the birds in bidding the light farewell. Mangal singbo. Hai bidi numit tagadore haina aina uchek oyagi marakta yaur ga ina chatle kaidoba. Farewell people, bidai people, numit agadore hai ba pause. It is also the fragrance. Magi lainam dunani pause piri se sandhya changma ko even type. You may be asked question here also. Flower na donam sung even type the kari tawi na hangbe. What does the flower do in dawn and even type? And question hangbe. Yare go answer them later. The plants are decorated with my beautiful colors, and the air is scented with my fragrance. Plant, tampaksing. Ako iba lay iba tampaksing siya. Ay pasarabang machu kaya dana layteng man. Beautiful, lots of colorful flowers grown and bloom, flutter here and there in front of our eyes. Ako mit manga hay no na saliba machu kaya siya. It makes the world colorful. Imagine how our world would be if there is no flowers. It will be a dull. Itang tanba, lay satraba, ikang kangba, layba, sangsarji fazagra. Wunbe, fazaroy. Aduna, plain se ay fazawa lay katana like tiang mane. Adu malang pan, year se, kuyom se, ay lay namna, loy na manam sandok pane. As I embrace slumber, slumber means deep sleep. Kanna tumba, mina napok tanaga, lengan tanaga hudopay tato, slumber ko. Ay na kanna tumgraba matamda, the eyes of night watch over me. Ahing ko gumit to na ingon de yengi, lay mangon na niya. And as I awaken, I stare at the sun. Ay na tumba hugalawa matamda, ay na tumba hugalawa matamda, ay na numit de yengi. Lay madi matatoon kalaga sali ko ya matamda, ay na numit de yengi. Which is the only eye of the day. So the sun has been personified here again. Numit sisu personified ka we mi dong na mana mamit panga na nungtin noiba, mana mamit uiraga na kayoba nungdang noiba. Aduna ay koi day asi ki eye si kanano the sun. You may be asked question here also. Okay, question hang bayay ko. What is the eye of the day and why? It has been personified and kumdoni. Eye of the day is the sun. Sun has been personified like a person, okay? I drink dew for wine and hearken to the voices of the birds. So, you know, human beings consume wine. You got intoxicated nisakana. But, lay mangondadi, magi nisazika inokambra, magi makaduda, laikaduda, liklata, mangonda nisakaze, pasago hele. Mangonda intoxicated oil, isakaze. And dance to the rhythmic swaying of the grass. Rhythmic tanthasana swing high. Tanthasana malang na high, marakto, lay ai so dum yauzeru yeba ado ai gi laika da likla tungbodo ingon da intoxicated oiba ai phazo hen gat pani sa kai. What intoxicated the flower? The flower. Hangbe. I am the lover's gift. I am the wedding ring. This is a very important stanza, okay? I am the lover's gift. I am the wedding ring. I am the memory of a moment of happiness. I am the last gift of the living to the dead. I am a part of joy and a part of sorrow. It's a very beautiful line. Layna hai. Aidi nungsiba kanada piba khudol ne lovers gift. Aidi luhong bagi pareng ne luhong badai bu leng aga puk nei. Aidi nuai bu mikup kya ningsang bada buke semaga aibu lay buke oina pinai aibu harau te amba memory kya bo token of memory oina moment of happiness aibu khudol tam nei. The last thing kari hai aidi ahing bana asi bada aroi boina tam khudol ne last gift of the living to the dead. I am a part of joy and a part of sorrow. Aduna aidi meoi ba nangi nungai su awab su aidi saruk yabni. You may be explanation question of 2 marks here. I am a part of joy and a part of sorrow. Explain the statement stanza. Mathak the question later, answer later go. The answer is there. Kamaina ma part of joy, part of sorrow. Kamaina saruk yai. So sayang si tambagi quite maru iba. Mana pinning iba moral lesson quite maru iba. Quite the most important part stanza there comes up the final stanza, the last stanza. Quite maru iba stanzas. But I look up high to see only the light. Aidi mangal da bu yeng iba mathakta. I never look down to see my shadow. Ai isagi mamiga se, ai marum taba mamiga se, ai nong te yang jade. Ai mathakta mangal khakta bu yeng. What is this light? Mangal da bu yeng. This is wisdom which man must learn. Masigi loksing sine mioi ba na khoi na sungsoi soi na tamgada ba. Kanadagi laying on the you human beings should learn from me this wisdom. What is this light? So let me explain the last stanza. According to Khalil Gibran, we human beings are very selfish. We only look for our own ends. Khalil Gibran ni matung ina layda hailisi. Akoi miu jam mi howe isai ka khalep. We live for our own sake. Ai pisha pai dia de in this materialistic world. Ai na kun dia de. I mean all of them. Now for alone, I don't care. We with these contemporary people, the world of contemporary people are living like that. So, according to this poem, Khalil Gibran is telling us. Sayangji matungina Khalil Gibran na akoi the hai lay sina akoi the hai lay mai matok tamo mau pat thalaga khudon tambe lay pareng lenge ko asi be the kat leba. Nungai ba mi kop to khudol pire mana hingam mi se magi mami go yeng de mana lei mana hingam se magi da mak sui hingam de ba that khra ga loye ba mai punsi do adu gi loksing do tammo na koi hinga ga di apa ba khra tawro mo mi gi khalla ga khra hingam mo. Don't live your life for yourself. Do something for the mankind, for others. Kai ro lei mana koi do pok tak pire lei maga ma wangang ju thok te ko but personified to ran I go mi oi ma kyam kene it doesn't live. Let's say she doesn't live. Personified to ni na ma ka si no pi do na treat to lei se ma na hingam mo lei ma na hingam mo pun si ma do swing de ba. But we human beings live only for our own end. So we should learn from the flower. The wisdom we must learn from him, the flower. We must learn from the flower to live for others, to do something for the mankind. This is what Khalil Gibran is giving us through the poem Song of the Flower. So, if you are confused, just get back to me. Thank you.